This situation is a clear reminder of how crucial it is to maintain a safe distance. One sudden brake, one hasty maneuver, and the consequences can be far worse than we expect. Always keep a safe distance, especially on highways. Don't let emotions take control while driving. Aggressive braking to teach someone a lesson can lead to serious accidents. When facing unexpected situations, stay calm and maintain control of the steering wheel instead of making sudden swerves. Driving is about reaching your destination safely, not about competing for dominance on the road. A car driving in the wrong direction collided with two young men on a motorbike without helmets. The impact sent them flying onto the road, but they quickly got up as if nothing had happened. Not wearing a helmet is gambling with your life. Stay in the correct lane and direction to avoid accidents. Luck won't always be on your side. The incident took place on Laurel Canyon Boulevard in Los Angeles when a white BMW suddenly collided with a pickup truck at an intersection. The two vehicles got stuck together, and the pickup ended up dragging the BMW for a long distance. Ferrari 296 GTB worth 14 billion VND lost control and crashed into a house in Snow Hollow, narrowly missing an elderly pedestrian. The impact severely damaged the front of the supercar, but fortunately no one was seriously injured. Driving is not just about controlling speed, but also about controlling responsibility for yourself and everyone around you. Rainy weather and slippery roads caused a pickup truck to lose control and swerve into the street, crashing into another car in Fallbrook, California. The impact sent items flying from the truck, but fortunately, there were no serious consequences. Rain can make the road slippery, but it's complacency that causes accidents. Always stay in control of your vehicle because safety should never be left to chance. The pickup truck sped from the left lane, dangerously cutting in front and getting hit by a dashcam-equipped car, flipping over on the highway in Samut Sakhon, Thailand. A reckless moment, a costly price to pay. Rushing for a second can set you back for a lifetime. Driving isn't just about speed, but more importantly, about safety and responsibility. A drunk driver lost control, crashed into an Illinois State Police car, was thrown into the air, and skidded across the interstate. A terrifying moment, the consequence of irresponsible driving. Driving under the influence is not just a gamble with your own life, but a threat to everyone around you. A terrifying moment on the highway near Los Angeles. A Kia Soul accidentally ran over a loose wheel, was launched into the air, flipped multiple times, and shattered upon landing. Miraculously, the driver remained unharmed, but this serves as a serious warning about vehicle maintenance. A loose wheel can become a ticking time bomb on the road, endangering everyone around. On the road, your fate isn't determined by your driving alone. The negligence of others can put you in danger. Always stay alert and thoroughly check your vehicle before every journey. A horrifying moment on National Highway 1A. A fuel tanker rushed in like a nightmare, plowing through a line of stopped cars with no sign of braking. No time to react, just the deafening sound of collisions and the sight of mangled vehicles left in its wake. Fortunately, no lives were lost, but this serves as a stark reminder of the importance of caution, especially for heavy vehicle drivers. A movie-like moment on the streets. The Toyota Wigo sped up, clipped a parked car, and flipped over in the middle of the road. Just one small mistake can lead to far greater consequences. Luckily, no one was injured this time, but can luck always be on our side? Speed may bring excitement, but losing control takes only a split second. After giving way, she somehow managed to trap herself. A truly thoughtful move from the Audi driver. Maybe she didn't just give way, but also gave up her composure. Driving requires not just courtesy, but also an exit strategy. A man claimed he sneezed so hard that he lost control of his car. A sneeze so powerful that it moved the vehicle across 5 lanes. This might just be driving by natural reflex. When accidents happen faster than a sneeze, the most important thing is to keep a steady grip on the wheel and a clear mind while driving. Pulling the handbrake at high speed, a decision that sent the Maruti Swift crashing into the median, with its wheel flying off and nearly causing a disaster. Fortunately, no one was injured, but this is a clear reminder. Don't attempt reckless maneuvers, because next time, luck might not be on your side. Speeding out from a side road and cutting off a brick-loaded semi-truck. The taxi driver put himself in unnecessary danger. A careless lane change, a collision has the price to pay. Don't let impatience turn into an accident. Observe, signal, and wait for a safe moment. That's responsible driving. A loose wheel, a sudden, shocking impact. Cruising normally, the Mitsubishi Xpander suddenly took a direct hit from a wheel that fell off a truck's undercarriage. A rare incident, yet enough to cause serious damage. Just one loose wheel can lead to far greater consequences. Checking your vehicle before hitting the road is never unnecessary. The truck was cruising along when it suddenly parted ways with its rear wheels, sending them rolling freely down the road and crashing into a utility pole. When the wheels no longer want to stay, the consequences can be unpredictable. Turning left without looking, cutting in front of a car as if the road was hers, and the inevitable outcome. Luckily, no serious injuries this time, but there's no place for carelessness in traffic. A moment of sheer luck, but also a costly lesson. Just 1 second of carelessness, and a life could be at stake in front of a container truck. When on the road, never let complacency be your final mistake. A sudden lane change sent both the bus and the container truck swaying. On the road, just one rush decision can lead to unpredictable consequences. When driving, don't let carelessness become a collision with fate. A moment of carelessness, an unpredictable consequence. The car lunged forward like an unfeeling machine, trapping the man between the vehicle and the wall. Luckily, he was rescued in time. When repairing a car, always check the gear and brakes because just 1 second of negligence can come at a steep. A heart-stopping moment on the road. Despite a bus speeding toward him, the man recklessly cut across as if testing his luck. Fortunately, the bus driver reacted in time, but can luck always be relied upon? On the road, a single wrong decision can come at a very high price. An unbelievable escape. Carrying for people on a motorbike is already dangerous, but losing control right in front of a truck's wheels is truly a gamble with fate. Luck was on their side this time, but will it always be? Road safety is not a game of chance. One small mistake can lead to devastating consequences. A legendary maneuver, but full of awareness. Realizing he ran a red light, the man immediately got off his bike and walked it backward to the stop line as if nothing had ever happened. A funny yet meaningful lesson. Mistakes can be corrected, but the most important thing is always having the right traffic awareness.